nowadays, as you can see on the YouTube, all the videos based on the AI. So how you can create the AI images, how you can create the AI avatars just in few seconds. Just you write the prompt, whatever image you want to generate, just write, and then you get the image that you want. So that is very simple and easy method. There are many tools, there are many websites that provide free AI images. You just give the command, and then based on command you can get the image. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so first of all, you open the Microsoft Edge browser. As you can see on the screen, I already opened the Microsoft Edge browser. Then here you can find out in the corner discover option. You can discover the chart, compose or insight, and then here you can find out the 3 more option. So you have to select the more creative. Now here is ask me anything. So you have to give the command, whatever command you want to give. Now it's in the full screen. So for example, I just type here the future cities, or I write here the draw images future cities, then hit enter. So you can see the answer. I will try to create that. Now it's generating the pictures. So here you can see this one is the future cities in the future. You can get here. If I open here, you can see here this one is the future cities that we can get in the future. Like that you can give any command, and then after that you can straight away save or download the picture. For example, I write here created the boy eating pizza in the desert. You can see here there are some mistakes the generating the AI images. Sometimes the hand or the face is not properly, so you can generate more to get the best results. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.